What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here salad chopper. Let's see what it's all about. Very simple instructions. Looks like if cucumber does not fit, just cut it in half, and same thing with the lettuce. Okay, let's try it out. Boom. And then a lettuce right here too. Got yourself a knife. I need a bigger knife. Actually, it looks like this is the biggest knife I've got. But let's see. Just keep going all the way around. This still works. I wonder if I'm gonna get any tomatoes. So that's pretty cool. You pretty much go all the way around till you're happy with the size of a choppiness that you got. Something like that. Makes sense, right? Would be nice if there's some bunch of knives chopping it all at once, but with a knife it works too. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna dump it out just to show you guys. It's actually chopped up pretty good, but at the end of the day, big cucumbers out here did not get chopped up. Some of them got pretty skinny, but for the most part, not so much. I feel like I cannot see because of a lettuce what I'm chopping, so it would be a lot easier to chop one thing at the time than using this gadget, in my opinion. For this gadget, I got here quick trim. This looks like slicer for the meat to remove the fat. So I have a couple of pieces of meat. Let's try it out, see if it actually works. I don't know. So far it's kind of getting stuck. Is there a bone or something? Ooh, wow, look at that. Wow. Actually works pretty good. I can't believe it. Whoa, too thick. Okay, I feel like I was practicing just now. Okay, I feel like it's best to cut off one little piece at a time. Okay, let's start from this end. It is definitely super sharp and somewhat works. Look at that. I feel like it doesn't trim super skinny. Whoops. And whenever it does go through, I take off too much meat. So, I mean, it's a cool idea of the gadget, but what do you guys think? Way too much chopped off of the meat. Let's try this right here. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Maybe it's best to just practice a bit with this trimmer, quick trim, and at the same times, and I just ended up cutting myself with this gadget, so probably will never gonna be using. Stick with the knife instead. Super sharp thing, but kind of whenever it goes through, it's chopped through the meat too easily, but not so easily through the fat. For the next gadget I got here, Perp Wok Keeper. Let's see what it's all about. Simple 3-step instruction. So let's put guacamole over here. Let's say it's leftover or something. So the idea of it, all you have to do is just push it in, and it's going to, I guess, remove. Oh no, fail. Don't push it too hard. I was trying too hard to make it perfect. You know what, somehow today is every gadget is failing on me, but it is what it is, you know. I try my best to use them. Hopefully they don't fail this time. So they kind of closes all the way down and removes the air. That's the idea of it. Pretty cool. You know what, just don't push it too hard. It might squish out all the guacamole. But yeah, it definitely works. Whenever you're done, just pull it up, boom. But the idea of it to remove all the air. You hear it? All the air came off. Boom. Guacamole will stay fresh a lot longer, or whatever else you're going to put in there. Okay, hopefully these gadgets will work much better. For the next two gadgets, I got here cherry tomatoes cutters. I always have to cut cherry tomatoes in half for many recipes. So let's try it out. So you see how tiny these cherry tomatoes? It would be really annoying to cut them one at a time. So you load them up in here and just go all the way down. This is not the best knife. And boom, your cherry tomatoes cut in half. Okay, let's try this one more time and we'll see which one slicer is better. Load it up super quickly and then chop it. This is not the best knife for sure. Boom. And your cherry tomatoes all in half. Pretty awesome. Let's see if this one will do much better. This is kind of cool for the smaller cherry tomatoes and for the bigger ones, I guess. That is so cool because I have super tiny cherry tomatoes right now that it was almost too small for the other gadget. A lot of cherries only sliced like very tiny bit, not in half. So this is like a first one I ever seen to have it set up like that. So then you hold it like that, put a knife through, and then just slice it. Okay, and they all in half, perfect halves. So you know what? If you ask me which one turned out better, this one's obviously way better. Check this out. These ones are all kind of halves, kind of not. Actually, look at that. What is this? And then you have these bigger pieces. This one definitely cut it perfectly in half. And obviously with the bigger tomatoes, all you have to do is just remove that green piece and stick the bigger tomatoes in there. So you see how tiny these cherry tomatoes are? Boom. Once again, hold it like this. One slice. Boom. And again, perfect halves. I can't believe it. Wow. This is almost satisfying. The only complaint maybe, I wish it was a little bit longer so I can stuff in double the amount of tomatoes. But still, pretty awesome. Last one, and perfect halves. Every time. I don't have to do this again. You already see. This is awesome gadget. And obviously for the bigger tomatoes you put it like that. But also I think because it has this wheel right here, it sits there perfectly, and that's how we're cutting it in half. So good. But obviously for the bigger tomatoes it will work this way, for the smaller this one. Amazing gadget, love this one a lot. And for the last gadget, this is pretty cool to go plates. Check this out. Probably have to look it up how they work. Actually it's pretty simple. Looks like come in 3 of them. Oh wow, check out how it works. Put it in the hole and then clip it right here. Awesome. Same one right here. So that way you can take it to go and make yourself very quick bowl. So you know what, it's honestly not just for kitchen, I think it's amazing for camping as well. Looks like this is small, medium and large. What an awesome fold idea. Okay, this is more like a bowl. This is like a plate, and this has gotta be a glass. Wow, I didn't even know. I just bought it, whatever. Thought it was just to go like a mini plate or something. But boom, you got yourself a glass. Obviously put regular food in here, boom. Let's put liquid in here, and guess what? It's not leaking, works. Beautiful. And right here, let's make cereal. Wow, it holds a lot of cereal. That's almost too much. Put some milk in, let's see if it leaks. It doesn't. Boom. What an amazing bowl. You can grab it like that, hold it like that, super comfortable. Amazing. So this is awesome for picnics, camping, anything, or even around the kitchen. I like them a lot. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.